YouTubers, man. Y'all been asking me about that drip. I want a VVS grill, man. I got you guys. Thank you guys, man, for all the love and support. This is what I call my chandelier set, man. This is Honeycomb set. You know, Honeycomb is basically where the stones are set side by side like bees' nests, offsetting, so you can get more stones and you can get the stones closer to each other. This is what we call Honeycomb set. This is what we call drip. This is going out to Chicago, Illinois. My guy spent, about nine bands, and he sent them in 3 payments. We don't get started until we get the final payment because we have to receive full payments to get started now, guys. We're not financing grills anymore, unfortunately, out of pocket, because things happen, number one. Number two, sometimes people are just slow with the second half or third payment. So we get all the payment up front, so we know we're done. That way we don't have to contact you again once it's done. We don't like having to do that either. We like to just get it done and ship it out to you if you're out of state. If you're local, just come by and pick it up. Shout out everybody out there in the live. Shout out everybody out there on YouTube. Out there in the world supporting us, guys. It's been a crazy ride, and we are scaling up. The business is scaling up. A lot of clients want that 8th tooth solid, man. They want to have some type of gold showing. This is white gold, but same thing. Just white gold is just adding a little nickel in there, making it white. Rose gold is adding a little pink in there, making it pink or red. Rose gold, as they call it. Sorry, y'all. It's my little walkie-talkie going off, man. It wants to go off as soon as I, so I'm getting into a different little lighting right here, as you can see. And that lighting is crazy, and it really shows off these stones, and it shows you that they're dancing, man. You want something like this, you already know what to do. Inbox us, we'll make it happen for you. We look forward to getting you one of these, man. You got a budget of between, say, $7,000 and $9,000. That's going to be determining which stones we're ever going to be able to use. From SI3 all the way up to VVS1, White gold, you're always going to have nice color. So you will be paying more for white gold because we have to make sure that the stones are G color and above. Yellow gold, you can cheat a little bit more because of the yellow background. Appreciate everybody for tapping in, man. Yeah, this is crazy, man. This is one of my favorite sets of 2021. Thank you, Junior, for spending this money with us, man. Obviously, I'm about to be doing another couple of these real soon. I got people setting up already, getting their bands together. Thank you, everybody that got them STEMI checks and came and seen us, man. It was really, really a blessed time for us, man. We got a chance to make some nice sales with you guys, man, and get everybody a nice Seattle Go Grills at them nice discounts. Y'all stay easy, stay positive, stay blessed. I look forward to working with you. Our new website we just opened has affiliate program. If you want to join, just go to the top of the website. And let me turn this off. Let me turn this walkie-talkie off while I'm on here. And right at the right, you see affiliates. Click that. You can join, and you can make sales with the website. There's over 29,000 products, gold chains, grills, 29,000 products. Only 400 is grills, so the rest is jewelry. But yeah, excuse me, guys. This thing right here, though, is iced out freezer grill. Call this joint the freezer grill. You call it what you want to call it, man. But if you ain't never seen nothing like this, chandelier style, share this with everybody you know that got money. Everybody you know that might be interested into a grill. Tell them to go see Fred. I am just a humble jeweler. We are family jewelers. You are supporting our family business that's been running since 1976. And like my dad says, to be running that long, you got to be doing something right. Got to be doing something right. So that's him. That is literally stones all the way on the side, all the way down to the bottom. We could have tried to do some cheating patterns to try to fit less stones in there, but we don't do that, man, especially when you spend money. We get you done right. And we do quality work. One thing we don't do, we do quantity, we do quality over quantity. Quality over quantity. That means quality is more important than us versus rushing out the work, because your work will come out looking rushed, and we don't want it to look that way, guys. So thank you guys for supporting us. White gold is hitting all day, y'all. Shout out to the love and support guys out there been supporting our channel from day one. My guy just purchased a couple weeks ago, got his order in, called us, texted us, whatever he had to do, stayed in contact with us via the business line versus trying to push the owner on social media pages, which is the most childish thing I've ever seen in my life. But people, in their head, it makes sense. But I know because they see me in the videos and they see these orders coming out. And some people had issues before. We totally understand. But always give us a call and we'll work it out with you guys. No worries. Thank you for all the 5-star reviews. Man, like 10 this week, back to 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 back. I think they got tired of seeing people with all the bad stuff, saying stuff about us, and they're coming to our defense because they know how we really operate, how we work. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for supporting us. Stay positive, stay blessed. All the haters out there, much love to you too. All right now, peace.